What is a lakehouse? For a long time, companies had to choose between storing data either in a data lake or in a data warehouse, and that usually meant maintaining two separate systems, one system for raw data and another system for analytics. Lakehouse architecture was created to solve this problem. A lakehouse combines the flexibility of a data lake with the performance and structure of a data warehouse. Instead of copying data between multiple systems, everything lives in one unified platform. Think of it like how smartphones replace separate devices like cameras, music players, and GPS units. Earlier, you had to manage multiple devices. Now, everything comes together in one powerful system. In data engineering, Lakehouse architecture allows data to live in cloud storage as files while still supporting fast SQL queries, updates, and data quality rules. Technologies like Delta Lake enable this by adding features like transactions, schema enforcement, and versioning on top of data lakes. In real projects, this reduces data duplication, simplifies architecture, lowers cost, and make analytics and machine learning much easier to manage.